Hello guys, today I will show you how to change your wiper blade for your car. So my car is Toyota RAV4 2008, so I need to change it. How I can know the dimension or which kind of blade I will use it. So here you can use your car number. Mine's 2008, so that's auto driver passenger, so should be 24/17 inch. That's it. This one 24, this one 17. So I will take this one and change it. Now guys, how you change this one? It's pretty easy. As you see, what you will do like that and push down. It will going back. Just pull out. So you will bring a new one by same way. Yeah, so you see, this one is okay. So another one, how we can change it. So this one is a different from other one. What you will do by this one, as you see, just you will pull out. And then you pull out this part also, because we don't need. New one. You will do by same other or previous one. So that's okay. We change it.